Welcome to Digiliterate YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be talking about Xevom apps. With Xevom apps you can create no code business applications. So if you're a small and medium scale enterprise and are looking to bring your business workflow online, then Xevom apps are for you. In 5 minutes you can create business application as per your requirement, and they are absolutely for free. I'm also giving a link in the description for you to create the app for yourself, and this video will be a quick overview of how you can create business application for yourself, and these are just a small overview. There are a lot of features that you can try by clicking on the link in the description. So now let's go to my laptop screen and see the potential of this application.
Welcome to the first video tutorial of Xevom apps. This is going to be a quick demonstration of how you can create an account on Xevom. So once you visit xevom.com, you have to head on to the sign up button. Now, since you are going to create your new team or organization, you are going to be the admin of that account. You have to fill in the details of yours. Type your name of your company. Type in the password. Type in the email ID of yours, and just click on the sign up button. Now, as you can see, you got a message that you have successfully created the team. Now you have to go to your email ID and verify your account. So you will get this link. You have to click on it. Now your account is successfully verified. Now you have to go to the login page and click on the login button. As you can see, you have successfully created an account on Xevom, and you can now start using the application. Welcome to the second video tutorial of Xevom apps. In this video, we will see how you can customize your application and also add new users. On the top left side, you will see a menu option. Click on the account section. Here you can add your profile photo and type your name. Click on the photo. Let me add a photo. So as a dummy account, I will take this photo. As you can see, it is uploading here. Once it is uploaded, you can see it over here. As you can see, now you can also type your name over here and just click on save. Now on the menu, you go to the settings section. Here you can add your company logo. So I will take this logo as a dummy account. It is going to get uploaded. As you can see, the logo has been uploaded. Now you can type here your company name. I will type in as Circle Limited. Here you can type your message. So suppose I'm using this account for as an employee onboarding platform, right? So I will type in welcome to the employee onboarding platform. You can also add some emojis to make it more attractive. So now you just have to save it. Now in the bottom, you can see these color tabs by using which you can change the colors of the application. So the first is the toolbar color, by using which you can change the color of the top and bottom bars. Now remember that any color you change from here will be reflected in your entire application. So let's try changing the toolbar color. I will try to keep it more blue, light blue. Now in the background color, you can change the background color of the application. So suppose I want the background color of my application to be like this. So I'll just change it, right? So now the third button is the button color. As the name suggests, you can change the color of the button. You can see the changes over here. So as you can see, I change it to the black. Now the text toolbar color, what it does, it changes the text color of the it changes the text color. As you can see, now I want to change the color. As you can see, the color of the text is changing. I want to make it red. So you can see the color of the text is getting changed, right? Now using the text background color, let me save it to show it to you. As you can see, all the changes that we made has been reflected to the entire application. The background color has been changed, the text color has been changed. So now the text background color will change the menu title color. So as you can see here, the menu is in black now. Now if you want to change the color of it, you can use this button, text background color change. I can change it to the red color if I want. I'll save it. And as you can see, the menu color has been changed to red. So this is how you can customize the colors of your application. Now these three buttons, document types, document status, and task types, will be explained in my third video tutorial. Now in the bottom you can see the app configuration. So it basically shows the overall plan that you are subscribed to. So now you are subscribed to the basic plan. The basic plan, you have utilized 1 MB storage space. The plan allows maximum of 50 MB storage space. This is the email ID that you're using to log into the application. Now the users are allowed, the maximum users that are allowed are 5. And now these below options are for the pro users. So all these features, all these options I'm going to explain in my fourth video tutorial. So this is how you customize your application. Now let's go back. So this is our dashboard, and we are going to now add a new user. On the right hand side, you can see my mobile screen. I'm going to use it to demonstrate the user side. So now on my PC, let's go to the users section. As you can see, there is only one users added, and that is admin. There are 3 tabs in the user section: all, admin, and users. In the all, you can see all the admins and users. In the admin, you can only see all the admins that are in your system, and the users, you can see all the users that are added. Now you can see that there are no users that are added here. So let's go to the and add some users. So on the top right side, you can see a plus sign. So you click on it. Now you have to type the email of the user that you want to invite. I will type in the email of the user that I want to invite. I will click on the invite to join, and as you can see, invitation is gone to her. Now I click his name and save it. As you can see, the user has been added to our system. Now let's jump to our mobile section and see the invitation that is received to the user. So as you can see, Maria has received an invitation from Rachel. So all I have to do is click on this link, app.xevom.com/register user, and I just have to open it in my browser. I have to type the email ID. I type the password. Now I have to click on register. Now you can see the email ID is registered, and I just have to visit the login page. So let's go back. Let me type in the email ID and the password, and I will click on the login. Now as you can see, I have entered the login page. Now all I have to do is go to my account section and update my profile photo and my name. So I will type in here my name, and I will click here to add my photo. So you can add any of your photo from your gallery section. So I will just take it as a dummy photo. As you can see, this is getting uploaded. As you can see, the photo is uploaded now. All I have to click on save. So this is how the dashboard is looking at from the user section. And now you can also see on the PC that the user is added. So you can see the Maria Garcia user is added, right? So now in the all section, we have two people. One is the user and one is the admin. So this is how the process of adding the user looks like. And as you can see on my PC, you can see on the dashboard of the admin, there are 4 tabs: document, tasks, plans, and users. But on the user section, there is only 2 tabs. One is document and tasks, because admin has more privilege than the users, right? So you can access the user section, you can remove them. So there is one more section thing that you can do. You can suppose this is the user, and you no longer want to give him an access to your company. So what you will do is, we'll click on this click on this button, and you can see this account is now inactive. So even if the user will try to log in, he will not able to do that. So this is the function of active only is. So that's how the adding the users looks like. Thanks. Welcome to the third video tutorial of Xevom apps. In this video, we will see some of the Xevom features that you can utilize for your business. The account you are seeing on my PC is of the admin, and the account you are seeing on the right hand side on the mobile screen is of the user. If you do not know how to add a user, please check my second video tutorial. Let's see a simple use case of new employee onboarding to understand the features. Here, the admin will act as a recruiter, and the user will act as a newly hired employee. Now, the recruiter will assign a task to the employee for signing some onboarding documents such as contracts, tax forms, etc. And the employee, on the other hand, will sign this document and send them back to the admin. Now, the recruiter, once receives this document, can either approve or disapprove this document. Now, let us go back to the screen and see the actual implementation of this use case. Now, we are back on our dashboard. We have 2 main tabs: documents and tasks. Let us start with the task feature. Now in this, we are an employee. In this use case, we are an employee onboarding platform. So the recruiter, also known as the admin, will assign a task to the newly hired employee. So to create a task, you have to click on this plus symbol and type in the title of the task. So I just want the employee to sign a contract. So I'll just type contract sign up. I will type this description. I will write, "Hello Maria, welcome to Circle Limited. As a part of employee onboarding, you need to sign up the contract. Please check the attached document and send me back." So this is the description I'm giving to my task. Now, what is task type? So task types are a label that we give to a particular task. For example, I know that I frequently assign a task of document signing up to the newly hired employees. I will just create a label for it. If I want my employees to sign documents like contracts, so I will click over here. And if I want my employee to send me a monthly invoice, I will choose this label. So depending on your requirement, you can create labels. I will show at the end of this video how you create labels. So I will choose document sign up now, and the task is now pending because it is not completed by the employee. So I will assign this task to the user Maria, who is the employee newly hired. I will attach the document, the contract document that I want Maria to sign. As you can see, it is getting uploaded now. The file has been attached. I will just click on the save option. So as you can see, the contract is assigned, the task has been assigned. So as you can see on my mobile screen on the right hand side, it's the Maria's user interface. So the Maria will now go to the task and she will see that a task is pending. So she will read it. So she can read it that the recruiter wants her to sign this contract and send him back. So she will click on this document. She will download this document. She will check this contract. She will sign this up and she will save it in her PC. She will mark this as completed because she has signed it up, and now she will send it back using the document features. So she's marked it as completed. She will save the task. She will now head on to the document section where she will attach that signed contract. So to create a document, you have to click on this plus sign on the top right. She will type the title, contract signed. She will type the description as, "Hello recruiter, I have signed the contract. Please check." Now, just like we label the tasks, we can also label the documents. So these are the labels that I have created, the admin has created: company policies, contracts, onboarding, material, tasks. So since this is a contract, so she will click on the contract. She will upload the signed contract from her device. She will select the signed contract. As you can see, the uploading is in progress. As you can see, the file has been attached. She will just click on save. And now on my PC, you can see the recruiter will receive this document. The recruiter will go in this document section and he will receive this document. He will open this document. He will read that the Maria has signed the contract and has attached that contract. So what recruiter will do is that he will download this attached file. He will read the contract and check if Maria has signed it properly or not. If the document is all right, he will have three options over here: either to approve, disapprove, or give it in pending section. So since the contract is all right, he will click on the approve section, approve button, and he will save the task document. As you can see, we have three status here: approved, disapproved, and pending. Since this is approved, so you can see in the approved section we have this contract signed. So this completes the process of use case where the recruiter sends some documents to sign to the newly hired employee. The newly hired employee signs the document and sends back the document to the recruiter, and the recruiter approves the document. So that completes the use case of ours. Now you can see this approved, disapproved, pending. These are all the labels. I also showed you the labels while we create a document. This type of labels. So how you create them is you go to the settings section, and you have these three tab: document types, document status, and task types. So first I will show you the task types. So task types, I have created these two labels: document sign up and monthly invoice, depending on our requirement. This particular use case, these two labels were a good fit. So I created this. If you want to create your labels, you have to click on this plus sign and you can create your new labels. On this document status, again, this we have is approved, disapproved, and pending. So this particular use case, the recruiter has the choice to approve the document or disapprove. But if you want to change these labels, you can click on it and you can change the label as per your requirement, and it will reflect. Now in the document types, this is similar to the labeling of the tasks that we do. So the labels that are given is contracts, onboarding, material, tasks, forms, and company policies. So this is how. And if you want to create, you can click on this plus sign and create the labels for document type. So that completes our use case and all major features of a free version of Xevom app.
Welcome to the fourth video tutorial of Xevom apps. In this video, I'll walk you through the pro version of the Xevom app and its features. Now we are on our dashboard of Xevom apps. To purchase the pro version, all you have to do is go to the menu, click on the settings, scroll down and click on the plans.
Now from here you can purchase the pro version. Now talking about the storage and users, in the free version you can have 50 MB of storage space. In the pro version you can have 50 GB of storage space. In the free version you can add up to maximum of 5 users. In the pro version you can add up to maximum of 50 users. In the free version, although you can access the app using your mobile browser, you don't have a dedicated mobile application. Now you get that in the pro version. On the right hand side, you can see my mobile screen and the Xevom application here. So you get that in the pro version. Also, in the pro version, in the free version of Xevom apps, you need to use the standard login URL app.xevom.com. But again, if you are a pro user, you can use your company website domain as well as a suitable subdomain to log into your company account of Xevom apps. As you can see, SP Woods Work is our website domain, and we are using it as a company login page. In the free version you can have multiple admins, but in the pro version you can have multiple admins, but in the free version you can only have a single admin. Let me show you. As you can see, in the pro version, this is the pro account, we have two admins, but if you are a free user you will have only one admin. Now, the another feature that we have in pro version of Xeom is email integration. By using this feature, any person who is on Xeom or any person who is not on Xeom can directly send a document to the admin using a simple email. So to do that, go back to the menu, click on the setting, and make sure have enabled the direct email to document option. If you are not enable this, no person will be able to send you document using his email ID. So make sure this is on. Now what you have to do is you have to give this email ID to the person who is going to send you an email and ask him to send a document to this email address. So once you forwarded any documents to this email address, a document will be created in your user interface. So you will see the document here. So now let's try. So first give this email address to the person who is going to send an email. Suppose Ramesh want to send a document to you, to the admin. So he will just forward that document to this email address. He will type in December month invoice. He will type in message, hi, please pay the invoice. Whatever the message is, we will add the invoice document. Now as you can see, before sending the email, there is no document is created over here. But as soon as Ramesh sends the document, a new document will be created in the admin panel. As you can see, December month invoice is document is created in the admin panel. Now admin can directly download this document and take the necessary action, right? So this was the feature, and the last feature that I want to talk about is user self registration. So what it does is it gives an ability for any person to become a user of Xeom without you having to invite him. So he can self register and become a part of your team. So all you have to do is give him this link URL and ask him to register. So suppose I give him a link and he wants to register. So what he will do is he will type his email address, he will type the password, and
You will click on the first time registration, sorry. So what you will do is you type in the email address, you will type in the password, and you will just click on register. Once you do that, he becomes a part of it. So now all you have to do is log in. So once you log in, as you can see, he became a part of your team without you having to invite him. So from here he have to just update his profile and other details. So these were the features, but make sure that, let me go to the admin panel now, but make sure that you have enabled this. If you do not enable this, then no external person can able to self register himself. So make sure you do that. Now these were all the features of the pro version.